Selena and Jamal, best friends. Hello, I am Selena. And I am Jamal. Jamal is my next door neighbor, and he comes over to my house to play. We like to walk together. Can you walk like us? Can you show us? We like to play together. When I am sad, Jamal cheers me up. That's why we are best friends. Who cheers you up when you are sad? We like to exercise with each other. Can you jump up and down like us? Can you show us? We like to take naps together. Selena is always there for me when I need her. Who is always there for you when you have a need? Do you remember our names? Can you tell us? Yes, that is right. I am Selena. And I am Jamal. Here we are sitting up in the laundry room, ready to give you a big hug. Can you give us a big hug? Here we are when we were babies with our families. While our moms are out working, we are taking a nap with our dads. Who was your parent that you took a nap with? Here we are again with our parents, helping us walk and feed us when we were babies. Who took care of you when you were a baby? It was nice to meet you. We hope you enjoyed meeting us. We are best friends, and we love playing together. The end.